Hello everyone, today I will show you how to flatten a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor, and this is the shape. See this, you can select it, and this is a highlight. Also, you can change it. If I flatten this PDF file, you cannot change it. Simply select Organize option, and here you will find this flatten option. Click here. And you can select here current page and a specific page range. Also you can apply all of these pages. I'll apply all of these pages. Now simply select OK, and see this, you cannot select this highlight and this shape, and see this, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.